hello, everybody on YouTube and X, Twitter. Uh, Thanks a lot for watching some of my views on all the clips and videos I've made over the last 2 years. I haven't made one in a while, a video on my YouTube channel at Zen Chris John. Look it up. I'll post it on X, Twitter, just to try to advertise and hopefully get a few more views. Educate people sometimes, whatever you get out of it. Now this is a sort of odd or another video of human nature. Now the first one was pretty dark. It was about the violence and throughout history of human nature and all the conquests of different civilizations. I've made a fair few on different subjects, 30 videos plus on my YouTube channel. No, so I'm gonna get to it. Thanks. Now I just speaking about human nature and socializing. Now, women, I've learnt recently. I'm 37 and I've been in a few relationships here and there. Now with women, and what I've learnt from studying Carl Jung and various other psychologists. Excuse me. Now, women tend to think with their feelings and not logical like men. Now, they think unconsciously, or whether they conscious of it or not, they test relationships, social status of other women, probably, who knows, and especially testing men who they're partnered with or who they hopefully want to partner or blah blah blah. Now they think with their emotions, so they're based on feelings. Very much so, women. So this is unconscious or conscious or whatever. That's briefly what I know about women so far, and whether they're testing men and a lot especially, and men tend to think logically more, with a fair bit of structure about reality and what is logical. Now, Men tend to think, or hang on, I've learnt men look with their eyes. So, in terms of generally anything in life, uh, even women, obviously, and women they listen with their ears. So this is I mean, I think these are just the biological facts about the way we're all biologically programmed as human beings for thousands of years. And in terms of socializing, I've noticed not just studying it, but not at all, but around where there's groups of people or anyone or one or two or three or four or large groups of people, people often tend to eavesdrop a lot. Whether this is socializing or status or hierarchy even, with listening intently, is what it means, and whether it's to find out better ideas, or as women listen with their ears, tend to tune in on things like what I don't know what I'm getting at, but the way human nature works with us socializing and eavesdropping, people, whether it's their instincts, biological programming, say for emergencies and social cues, etc., etc. And yeah, sorry. So I'll get onto a couple of other points about what I've learnt about human nature. Um, now, in terms of people, the way they talk, the way people talk, I've noticed that a lot of people tend to have innuendo, and whether they're joking around or being serious. Now, whether it could be sexual or as adults, or cues, bullying, or now I think a lot of people these days, or whatever they think about sex, is just the way that people talk. In the way they talk, what they talk about, as in terms of metaphors and innuendo, and men and women, or men and men talking to men about women, or women talking about food and sex and relationships. It could be anything. Uh, I think this relates to a lot of it talking about thinking about sex, which is obviously pretty obvious. We're all human, and we all want to just have sex or procreate, and which is what society and humanity and all the rest are based upon. The next generation, whether it's partnering up, all the rest, socializing in general, or, whether cues of who to talk to and who not to talk to, generally about human psychology, and, and in this day and age of the 21st century of social media, probably since about 2010, with the internet, social media, the ability to text each other anywhere around the world about any issue, about socializing, or groups of people bullying individuals on social media. I mean, I think it starts the current generation with as in high school and teenagers. It's a bit dangerous. I think with social media, and as in adults as well. Obviously, that's what I'm talking about. But the way just generally the instant communication of people talking about their social lives, and it's all like I think it's all a bit too connected with each other. Like billions of people are a bit too connected these days. Whether in the old days you want to have a lot of privacy and personal, and keep it behind closed doors. Whether it's communication, or information, or whether it's anything really like personal issues between family and friends, and you don't want to make it public, but that's just the world we live in now, with instant communication technology and social media. So, and and I'll go on a bit about social media. I think I've been on a profile on X, Twitter, for about 2 years, and I've been the victim of a pig butchering scam, a romance scam, as they like to call it. And this was lost a bit of money, but it doesn't matter. Um, Now I think there's a lot of pornography, especially on social media. I mean, it's just disgusting. I mean, is that the way people want to socialize these days, with the internet? And it's just a bit disturbing actually, because what I've seen, I can't unsee. I can't unsee, but that's all right. You get a bit of shit in life, with people targeting or bullying, whatever, blah blah blah. And that's not just on X, Twitter, pornography, or scams, or like scammers, and it's all over the joint. It's all over the place, with Facebook and fake profiles, bots pretending, to want a relationship, or if friends, or even whatever. Anyway, that's a brief thing what I've been through recently with socializing on the internet online or trying to whatever. It turned out to be a lot of bullshit. A lot of bullshit. Sorry. And thanks for listening. I think briefly, I think what I've also learnt is about people and their social lives, or just society or civilization at a whole, the bigger picture. I think, as I said, a lot of people tend to think about sex a lot. It's the way they speak. I mean, I hear it every day. Which is kind of odd because I thought there were other things to do in life or better things. But yeah, just generally, it's all over the media these days. You know, the internet's full of porn, and it's a bit negative, isn't it? And also advertising. A lot of a lot of advertising, and Hollywood is all about sex and lies and money and power. I think with the old the skateboard brand SMP, which is sex, money, and power. It's an acronym, stands for. I think that's what society is. A lot of it is about. Whether it's socializing or anything. Sex, money, and power, and materialism and everything, and that's just a whole thing about human nature. Human nature is, I mean, it's great. It's all good, especially in Western countries. I mean, I just in terms of freedom of speech and all that. I just, we've just seen the death of the assassination of Charlie Kirk, which is pretty sad, pretty bloody sad, sad. So, in terms of freedom of speech and debating different ideas and thoughts people have about any subjects of intellectual or intelligent, or I think people need to keep talking about these things. A lot of my videos are about different subjects, so stay tuned. Stay tuned to at Zen Christian, one word, lowercase, my YouTube channel. 99% of what I have posted on Twitter. I mean, it's right. What I believe. I may have made a couple of harsh statements once or twice, but I've got like over 1,300 posts of writing and all sorts of videos, whatever, and references, YouTube. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll be talking about human nature a bit in the future, and the psychology of women and men, and also what I've been into recently is mindset is in terms of motivational speeches on my music playlist. The same handle at Zen Chris John. I've got 47,000. Sorry, 47,000 views so far. So thanks for all your help. And enjoy freedom of speech and debating, and as such, don't let the idiots or stupid people tell you what to do or say or think, or tell you how to think about logical issues of in intellectual whatever, being intelligent, or just keep coming up with issues that can help make the world a better place. People, generally, and good luck to you out there. So yeah, thanks for all your help, and watch my other videos on YouTube, my YouTube channel, which is here when I'm posting. So have a good day and night. Have a good day. Have a good day and night. Peace out, and keep those thinking caps on about, I don't know, just try to be intelligent, people. Good luck.